what you've left behind. Then walk away from the greatest lover you have ever known.
Come on, let's go, let's go.
No, Dad. Okay. This guy in first place, okay, got 38,000 event score.
I'm not sure. That guy is still hanging around outside our house. If you don't get back quick, I'm gonna kill him.
Well, I have to wait until like another 60 seconds. Actually, right now, actually. Yeah, I have to wait 50 seconds. You might just have to kill them.
What? I might have to kill the guy.
Yeah, basically. Don't actually. Dad!
No, get off! I was doing it! I was doing it! No, he's killing, look! He's killing me! No! Run!
Oh, Dad! Dad!
Right, he's got no cures. He's got no cures.
Does?
Dude,
Dad, just leave him alone!
you screwed that up. He's not a newbie.
Leave
He's
him
not a
alone.
newbie.
Then why is he farming there?
He's not a newbie. I tell you now.
Yeah, he is!
He's not a newbie. He's definitely not a newbie.
Yeah, I think you're just a newbie! No, it's just you!
He's not a newbie.
It's just you!
No, honestly, he's here. There he is.
It's just you!
He's up for the fight. He's up for the fight. He's poisoned.
Apparently corrupted Link is only 300k.
Oh my god, he's got no cures. He's gonna die.
Apparently a corrupted Link is only 300k, Dad. Dad, I don't think he's poisoned. Oh, now he is. Oh, he does have cheers, Dad. Dad, look at your health. I think you're just new, Dad.
Oh, fuck me! Ah, fuck, God, kill me! What the fuck? What in the fuck just happened? The newbie that was farming outside my house just killed me. He's not a newbie. Jesus. That's your fault because you screwed it all up from the start.
I'm gonna say congrats to him.
Huh?
I'm gonna say congrats. He's probably taking your stuff now.
He is. He's probably jacking my shit.
That's the jam. Mario.
Say congrats, you killed my dad. On stream. Congrats, you killed my dad on stream. What did he say?
He didn't say anything. Yeah.
I can't. Tell him to join. Tell him it's Bonio 100. He can join the stream.
He's a blacksmith.
Huh?
He's a blacksmith.
Well, it's because you're
He's a
Blacksmith, right? Blacksmith, they got really hard hitting, haven't they? Because they got the bonus.
He's still a blacksmith, Dad.
But I think it killed.
That guy's a PK, and he's a blacksmith.
Yeah, but you fucked up with my mouse when I was doing it, right? And...
Yeah, but your character's still a PK. He's a poisoner.
Oh.
Dad, you're so bad.
Wow, you know, he's obviously a blacksmith willing to fight back. I mean, what can I say, right?
I think this is you being a noob.
I really can't believe that just happened.
Dad, you literally just died to a guy with a normal executioner's sword.
Was it a normal executioner's sword?
Executioner's axe, yeah.
Don't give me that shit. It wasn't a normal one. It's an exceptional
He left
one.
you a trap out.
Did he?
He said, okay, thanks. Okay, thanks.
Oh dear, man. I can't believe that. I can't believe that just happened.
Scott, Dad, were you wearing studded armor?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, Dad. Why were you using studded armor? Ah! Ah!
I've only a 100.
One your 100.
I can't. Can you type it?
Um.
Because I can't type it. My mod key doesn't work.
Goodbye. Bye.
Ah,
He left.
right, okay, right, now I'm gonna read
Then how did you die?
Don't ask me.
I am asking you.
Worst PKing ever.
That was the worst PK that you just tried to do. No, but like the Eldritch stuff actually works pretty well, Dad.
Huh?
The Eldritch and the
Turn around. Stand up like a man and look me in the eye. Turn around. Take one final look at what you've left behind. Then walk away from the greatest lover you have ever known. Yes, walk away. You're telling me that you can make it on your own, by yourself, all alone, without my help. Mister, you just made a big mistake. You think you're a man, but you're only a boy. You think you're a man, you are only a toy. You think you're a man, but you just couldn't see. You weren't man enough to satisfy me. Shut the door. Take a look around and tell me what you find. Shut the door. Take a giant step for you and all mankind. Then don't come back. I always gave you so much more than you deserved. No, don't come back. 'Cause no one makes a fool of me. You've got a nerve to walk away. Mark the words I'm gonna say. Mister, you just made a big mistake. You think you're a man, but you're only a boy. You think you're a man, you are only a toy. You think you're a man, but you just couldn't see. You weren't man enough to satisfy me. You think you're a man, but you're only a boy. You think you're a man, you are only a toy. You think you're a man, but you just couldn't see. You weren't man enough to satisfy me. You think you're a man, but you're only a boy. You think you're a man, you are only a toy. You think you're a man, but you just couldn't see. You weren't man enough to satisfy me. You think you're a man, but you're only a boy. You think you're a man, you are only a toy. You think you're a
Oh!